There's very little that chocolate can't cure. My ideal comfort food, particularly in the middle of the night, is a dark chocolate pudding. This is my version of a warm chocolate pudding which is made in a jiffy with basic ingredients. So I'm going to start with double boiling my chocolate and butter, which is simply a pan of water, on top a bowl to melt both the items. Start by switching on the heat, keep it on a low, and add your chocolate, 175 grams of dark chocolate and one for me. Along with that, 175 grams of butter. So while this is melting, I'm going to beat the eggs. And a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of vanilla essence and half cup sugar. And I'm going to start beating it now. Give it about 3 minutes at high speed. My chocolate has melted enough, so I'm just switch off the heat and I'm going to stir it. So both my butter and chocolate has combined well, so I'm just going to remove it. I'm going to pour this into my egg batter. And now I'll whisk it into the eggs. This is plain refined flour, and you must always just fold it in until it's just combined, and then you're ready to go. I've already greased my 2 baking dishes, and I'm going to divide the batter into the 2. Now I'm going to place my baking trays into a preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops are just crackling and the inside is still fudgy. My pudding is out of the oven. This pudding is a dream in a dish. It's crackling on top, fudgy on the inside, and goes perfectly with a vanilla ice cream scoop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to India Food Network.